Hi friends, I'm Cherie in the Wild and I love travel and BTS, and we are continuing this unboxing series of the Arirang vinyls. Last time I did RMs, and I do have a couple of the group albums which I'll be unboxing at another time, and I do have the members vinyls. But today we are going to unbox Jin's Pink Vinyl. When the pre-sale happened for these albums and the CDs, I was not fast enough to get the vinyls, so I ordered these from Target, and I think it's an exclusive because they were only available in store, in that particular store, you know, not the other big box stores or whatever, right? So it was only at Target, like, versus, I'll just say the store, versus Walmart or something, right? And so I think that's the only reason it's exclusive. Okay, I don't know why I think I'm going to open that with something stubby. I just didn't want to scratch the album. But anyway, so each one of the vinyls, I'm sorry, let's go back. So when I went to Weverse, I missed out. Wasn't fast enough to get the vinyls, but they were available on the Target website. And because it was like kind of a pre-order, they didn't actually charge my card until like a week before, when they knew they were shipping it out. So they all came to my house, and the only one I didn't have was Jungkook's, because that was also sold out on the website. So I actually went into Target and kind of filmed that. Here, I'll put a clip in. And there was a Jungkook vinyl available. So hi friends, so I'm on my way to pick up my JK LP album, I think Orchid color, at the Target that's about 25 minutes from me, because when I went to order the LPs, his was the only one not available for shipping from Target. The rest are being shipped this week between the 24th and 26th. So, and the Target app said I have to pick it up by tomorrow, Monday, the 23rd. I mean, it came out on the 20th. I don't know what they would do if I don't pick it up tomorrow, but anyway, I don't want to find out. So we're picking it up now, and then from there we're going to someone's house for dinner. Okay, here she comes. So I'm just going to fill myself in on her, and I just have to give the code, which is an odd number, 0666. Hi! 0666. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. JK! Okay, I'll unbox this later and show you guys. Sorry, the sun's setting. This way. JK. Thanks, hubby. Anyway, so that's how I got it. And I think that's what it meant by exclusive, Target exclusive. And so this is Worldwide Handsome Jin. Love the rings, love his look always, right? And I really appreciate Jin, because when I became ARMY in October of 24, he was already out. And I kind of saw some stuff like the high touch, or kind of the day after he had that, he did Festa or something like that. Well, when I became ARMY, I started watching Run Jin, right? I was watching Run BTS, Run Jin. I just loved everything about Run Jin, and that gave me a chance to really see him and appreciate all the hard work that he's done. I definitely regret not going to his concert. So I had gone to Hobie's, and then that in end of March in Oakland, and then that summer, June of 2025, we had this whole big family trip planned, and we went to Istanbul, Turkey. So the four of us, and we were there for 2 weeks, and I tell you, it was a trip of a lifetime. We went to Cappadocia in the hot air balloon, and I thought, okay, let me try for the LA concerts, because I did try pre-sale. We were like 25,000, and so I said, let me wait and see. And then I was hoping to get VIP tickets, sound check, never was able to do that. So I saw some in like section 100, whatever, and the price was still a little bit too high because of we had this trip. And then I ended up saying, you know what, it's too late. I could have stayed at a friend's house, I guess. I could have still gotten the hotel, but it was just a lot of like logistics for me. But anyway, looking back, I regret it. So I will never do that again, miss a concert. And then this is the back. So every vinyl has a different backing. And like what I said in the other video, okay, so this is Yoongi's vinyl, but if you put it in the back, you can see here, sorry for the light, this is Jin 7, if you can see that, and then that's, you know, the Big Dipper, and it connects. Here's Yoongi's, and then RM's was over here. So once I open all 7 albums, I'll show you the connection of the Dipper. Hope I remember. Okay, look at that cutie. Where's Jin? Beautiful. Love it. I just love the whole idea of them in the suits. Okay, so when you pull out everything, okay, there's this poster. Okay, and their suits. Yes. Oh, that's kind of cool. Long suit for him, pinstripe. Okay, you guys ready for WWH? Wow, he looks so young. I mean, they all do. Love it. Imagine you turn the corner and you see that. Okay, here's the back. Let me try to show you this whole beautiful face. Okay. All right, so let me try to fit it in there. Okay. Let's get the head. Okay. There you go. And yeah, what a beautiful poster. And then this one has the lyrics, the same one as RM's. Yeah, so all the lyrics and the songs. But, oh, and here, the credits are here in the back. Okay. Nice. Okay, and then here's the sleeve for the vinyl. I love the little simple logo there. And in the back, smaller logo, big hit. Okay, and here's the track list and then the numbers. Okay, so when you take out a vinyl, you gotta be really careful. I'm gonna slip in a video here. I do have a record player. I got it because, I mean, I grew up on records, and I showed this in my last video, but I'll put a little clip here. I was planning, and I still plan to get all the vinyls. So I had already gotten Muse, Golden, and Layover, and actually from the Target website. It was on sale. Like, it ended up around $33 each, including shipping. And I got it within like a week, 2 weeks like that. It was pretty good. So I do have a record player, so I can play these vinyls. And I got the record player on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. But here, you have to be careful when you're taking out a vinyl. Okay. Because you don't want to scratch the surface there. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. Isn't that pretty? Nice. All right, and I am still debating if I'm going to frame these. So what people have done is that they've taken the vinyl and then the jacket and put it either like that horizontal, or they can do it vertical. It's beautiful. Love it. All right, so that's our worldwide handsome Jin. Make sure to sub because I will be going to the Vegas concerts, the LA concerts, and I will be in Busan for Festa. I'm not sure if I'm going to try for a ticket, but I just wanted to be there. I happen to be in Tokyo for a work trip, so I thought, why don't I just jump on over to Seoul and Busan and Jeju. So I'll be doing vlogs for that. Anyway, thank you, Jin, for all that you did and do. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.